There are different kinds of sneezes. That's right, you know it, I know it. There's the angry sneeze. Bah! Wah! 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 Yeah! There's the yelling sneeze. Yahoo! Yahoo! Old men usually fall into that category, but my wife has been known to increase the decibels. Then there's the polite sneeze. You barely know somebody's sneezing. You don't even know if you should say bless you because it's so quiet. Then there's the regular sneeze, what I'd call achoo. And then there's the unconventional sneeze. I've heard some really weird noises, kind of like something you might hear in a zoo. Those are the sneezes. What do you guys think? Do you have any other sneezes?